Banks are crumbling, and you're still letting them control your money? Seriously? Traditional finance keeps you trapped with fees, delays, and endless hoops to jump through. But there's a revolution happening right now that they don't want you to know about. It's called Decentralized Finance, or DeFi. This isn't just another crypto buzzword. This is how the smartest people are breaking free from banks and making their money work for them. Think about it. What if you could trade, borrow, lend, and even insure your funds without asking for permission? No more middlemen, no more pointless fees, just you and your financial freedom, powered by blockchain and smart contracts. And the best part? You can get started today. In this video, I'll show you exactly how DeFi is flipping the financial system on its head, and how you can profit from it. But you've got to act fast. While most people stay stuck in outdated systems, those who jump into DeFi early are already securing their financial futures. Are you ready to join them? Let's dive in. Imagine a world where you don't need banks' credit checks or bureaucrats to control your money. That's what DeFi offers. At its core, decentralized finance uses blockchain technology and smart contracts to remove the middlemen who love to dip their hands into your pocket. Everything happens on public ledgers, transparent, automated, and secure. It's like having a digital wallet with superpowers, giving you full control over your funds 24/7. No bankers telling you what you can or can't do. Here's the kicker. With DeFi, trust is placed in code, not humans. These smart contracts are like ironclad agreements. Once executed, they can't be tampered with. You can send money, invest, or earn interest without asking for permission. If you've ever been frustrated by a bank saying no to a simple request, DeFi flips the script. Transactions are peer-to-peer and lightning fast. It's financial freedom, digitized and democratized. Platforms like Uniswap and Aave are perfect examples of how DeFi works. By the way, check later my recent Uniswap guide video. So, instead of going through a bank to trade or lend, you interact directly with the protocol. You might be thinking, isn't that risky? Sure, it's not risk-free, but neither is trusting a bank that makes shady investments behind your back. DeFi's beauty lies in its transparency and open access. Anyone with an internet connection can jump in, bypassing the gatekeepers of traditional finance. Banks are like the annoying middleman who takes a slice of every pie. You deposit your hard-earned cash, and they slap on fees for everything. Withdrawals, transfers, even account maintenance. And don't get me started on exchange rates and international transfers. They make you wait days while they soak up your money. DeFi laughs in the face of these fees, offering transactions for a fraction of the cost, in minutes or seconds. Then there's the control issue. Banks can freeze your account, reject payments, or impose ridiculous restrictions. Ever tried withdrawing your own money and been interrogated like you committed a crime? Centralized finance is a chokehold on your financial freedom. DeFi, on the other hand, is censorship-resistant. No one can stop you from moving your funds or using your assets how you want. It's your money, your rules. Let's talk accessibility. Millions of people around the world don't have bank accounts due to rigid regulations and a lack of infrastructure. In DeFi, if you have a smartphone and internet, you're good to go. No credit checks, no identification hurdles. It's an open playing field empowering everyone from New York to Nairobi. Centralized finance locks doors, DeFi smashes them open. Imagine you're trading crypto, and the market's as volatile as a toddler after too much candy. That's where stablecoins come in. Cryptocurrencies pegged to real-world assets like the US dollar. We're talking about coins like DAI, USDT, and USDC. They keep their value steady, giving you a safe harbor during market storms. It's like holding cash but in a digital form that you can move around without dealing with the slowpoke banks. But stablecoins aren't just for traders. They're a game changer for everyday payments and savings. In countries where inflation is eating people alive, holding stablecoins is like keeping your money in a digital vault that doesn't lose value. It's financial stability without a bank. Want to pay a freelancer overseas? Send USDC instead of dealing with wire transfers and exorbitant fees. Stablecoins bridge the gap between traditional finance and DeFi, offering the best of both worlds. And, well, we all know banks love to make borrowing a hassle. They ask for endless paperwork, slap on high interest rates, and might still deny your loan. In DeFi, platforms like Compound and Aave make borrowing smooth and permissionless. You can lend out your crypto and earn passive income or borrow by locking up some of your assets. It's all done through smart contracts with no middlemen slowing things down or eating up your profits. Here's how it works. To borrow in DeFi, you over-collateralize your loan, typically by 120% or more. Let's say you want to borrow $1,000. You'd lock up $1,200 worth of crypto. It might sound steep, but it guarantees lenders get their money back even if the borrower flakes out. No credit checks, no begging for approval, just instant loans secured by the blockchain. Lenders earn juicy interest and borrowers get access to capital fast. Now picture this. You want to trade your crypto, but a centralized exchange hits you with ridiculous fees and asks for your life story to sign up. Enter decentralized exchanges or DEXs like Uniswap, Aerodrome, Velodrome, and PancakeSwap. These platforms let you trade thousands of tokens directly from your Web3 wallet. No signups, no restrictions, you're in control. And the fees? We're talking less than 1% compared to the 15% or more traditional platforms love to charge. What makes DEXs truly game-changing is the freedom. No government can shut them down or freeze your assets. Your trades happen through smart contracts and you interact directly with the blockchain. Ever had an exchange halt withdrawals during a market crash with a DEX? That's never an issue. You keep custody of your funds and trade whenever you want. It's financial autonomy at its finest. DEX are also a paradise for discovering new tokens early. While centralized exchanges are slow to list new projects, DEX let you trade tokens the moment they launch. Early adopters know this is where fortunes are made. Just connect your MetaMask, Phantom, or Trust wallet, and you're in business. Lower fees, more control, and no gatekeepers. It's the kind of trading freedom traditional finance doesn't want you to know about. Now we all know crypto isn't a risk-free playground. Hacks, exploits, and market crashes can wipe out portfolios in a blink. But here's the twist. DeFi Insurance exists to protect your investments. Platforms like Nexus Mutual and Insure use smart contracts to automate insurance payouts. If your funds get caught in a protocol hack or a smart contract bug, you get compensated without the drama of traditional insurance claims. It's instant, transparent, and all on-chain. Unlike traditional insurance, which loves to bury you in paperwork and delays, DeFi Insurance relies on oracles. These oracles fetch real-world data and trigger payouts automatically if certain conditions are met. Imagine a smart contract failing on a lending platform you're using. Instead of arguing with an insurance adjuster, the smart contract verifies the failure and pays you out. No waiting, no excuses, just results. Think of DeFi Insurance as your safety net. It protects you against protocol failures, exchange hacks, and even market volatility. Sure, premiums apply, but in a world where millions get stolen overnight, that small fee can be a lifesaver. And the best part, you're still in control. You choose what risks to cover, and everything's transparent on the blockchain. DeFi gives you power, but with insurance, it also gives you peace of mind. Now that you know how to protect your investments, let's crank things up a notch. Ever wanted to supercharge your trades and make bigger moves with less capital? That's what margin trading in DeFi is all about. Platforms like DYDX and GMX let you trade with leverage, meaning you borrow funds to increase your position size. Instead of needing $1,000, you can control $5,000 or even $10,000 worth of assets. It's like giving your trades a rocket boost, potentially skyrocketing your profits if you play it smart. Unlike traditional finance, where brokers make you jump through hoops, DeFi margin trading is fast, cheap, and permissionless. There's no one breathing down your neck or demanding credit checks. Just connect your wallet, choose your leverage, and make your move. Plus, fees in DeFi margin trading are far lower than the blood-sucking rates in centralized finance. You keep more of your gains and spend less on fees. But let's keep it real. Margin trading is a double-edged sword. Sure, you can amplify your profits, but losses get magnified too. That's why platforms like DYDX offer features like stop-loss orders and liquidation alerts to help you manage risk. In DeFi, margin trading is accessible to everyone, not just Wall Street hotshots. With the right strategy and discipline, you can take your trading game to the next level. If you've made it this far, you're not just watching. You're ready to take action. You've seen how DeFi can set you free from banks, offer you better returns, and give you control over your money. The question is, are you going to be an observer or a player in this financial revolution? The opportunities are there, waiting for you to grab them. So what's stopping you? Hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss a chance to level up your financial game. Smash that like button if you're done with banks ripping you off. And hey, if you're serious about mastering DeFi and achieving financial freedom, grab my ebook. It's packed with exclusive strategies, insider tips, and the tools you need to succeed. Trust me, this isn't something you want to sleep on. The link is pinned in the first comment below. Now go out there, take charge, and let's crush it in DeFi. See you in the next video.